yeah, this is just business as usual. We just mopping the floors, dunking, and endlessly tiresome. That doesn't make too much sense, does it? Endlessly tiresome. But we can give you an abundance of oxymorons, or we can get this show on the road, which is just kind of. Figure I'd sneak in a burp. Yeah, I think Preston wants me to talk about just the fact that his job, he's got a lot on his mind. It's a tough time. Not every day can be Friday, unfortunately. I know how that feels. Trust me, my burger job goes through the roof. It's like the main thing anymore. But I just kind of felt like the occasional day off, might give you a certain sense of accomplishment. And hell, some of us may wind up like Elon Musk or something, maybe Leonardo DiCaprio. We can all hope, can't we? In some of my old places I lived, I had posters up of men. Didn't talk too much about it. I mean, it's never going to compare to someone like Cameron Diaz, but just something to kind of keep you in focus. I think as a man, if you've had a poster of Tony Montana, you know what that's about. This is, I don't know if you're supposed to salute with your right hand or your left hand. Salute with your right hand, but just as a formal salute to some of your close allies and such, or someone you admire from a distance. And I don't know. I mean, I may never be a billionaire, but I suppose that this is unconscious respect I have to give billionaires, considering all that they've done. I'm surprised that some of these fellows haven't tried to buy the moon or something. But he's just working a measly job, and so is so many people. Where are you going to get working at McDonald's, though? That's the thing. Well, it just kind of... It just has me rather curious. But